All right guys, we're here with Victoria and we're gonna show you some cute, fun, easy, shorter hairstyles. So, we're really into like the butterfly clips because they're so fun and I feel like they're so easy and so summery. First, I'm just gonna prep her hair with a little texture spray. Try to get one that has something in it. And just give it a little texture in there. And then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these cute little butterfly clips and I feel like you can seriously get them anywhere. And I'm just gonna take a section and kind of twist it back. And then I'm gonna put the butterfly clip right there. And then I'm gonna do the next one. I'm gonna do the same thing, take about that much hair and kind of just twist it back. And just put the butterfly clip right there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to just twist that back. Put the butterfly clip right there. And I'm gonna just do 4 total. I feel like if you wanted, you could do more, but I feel like 4 is so cute. And I feel like it's such a cute little summery vibe. Thanks to my friend Lindsay. She gave us this idea, but it's just an easy, cute little summery. I feel like it'd be so cute if you went to the beach or something. Just little few butterfly clips and it looks so good. Okay, so now we're gonna show you another easy one and I'm just gonna get these little elastics that I get from Sally's and I'm just gonna start with her front piece. And I'm just gonna rubber band into a little pony. And then I'm gonna take another piece about the same size. Oh, hold on, sorry. It like broke off, did you see that? Like, how did that happen? Okay, so then we're gonna take the same size section and we're gonna add this hair to the next section, making another little pony. Like so. And then we are going to do the same thing on the other side, making one square section like the same size as the other side and just kind of hold the hair back when you do it so then it's not like sitting straight up. If you like put the rubber band on, you want to put the rubber band on and angle it however you want the hair to lay. And then same thing, just one more square and then we are just going to kind of pull that so it bubbles this out a little. Then we're going to take one more elastic and we are going to merge these two together. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these 2 ponies right here and I'm just going to ponytail those together. And then just kind of piece out a little. And there you have another cute, easy, fun, short hairstyle. Now we're gonna do some bubble ponies because everyone wants bubble ponies right now, I feel like. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a small section like so, but you wanna get, if you have short hair, you just wanna make sure you're getting enough to where you can do the bubbles down. And also, I want it to lay like not sticking out. So I'm making sure that when I do that pony that I'm angling it the way that I want it to lay. Because wherever you put that pony in is however it is gonna lay down. So once you get it in there, then you can kind of just piece it out a little. And then I'm just gonna do little cute ponies all the way down. Just do however close together you want. But again, I want it to lay down, so I'm just making sure I'm holding my hands down low. You just kind of want to work your way down, and you can decide like how many cute ponies. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. You can decide like how many ponies you want to do. I feel like with hers, 3 is cute. And then, oh my, look in the mirror really fast.
Oh, that's cute.
That is so cute. So same thing, once you get that even, might take a couple tries, but then you're gonna just do ponytails down. Same thing, just kind of holding it where you want it to go. And you can just put the rubber band in and just like kind of poof out that pony a little. And then another one. I feel like texture spray helps a lot. It helps give it texture. And if you have too short or pieces that don't fit, you could always use a little bit of pomade to like smooth it down. Okay guys, there you have 3 easy, fun, cute, short hairstyles. I feel like you can use them for so many things, like working out or going to the beach or just having a fun little easy day on your second day hair. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.